Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have another hair review for you guys, and it's from the hair company called Julia Hair. So this wig, I'm so excited for this wig because I've always wanted to try this particular color and I finally get to try it. So with further ado, let's just go into the unboxing first, and then I'm gonna show you guys this wig. Okay guys, so this is the box the hair came in. It's a nice, I like how those boxes look. It looks very nice. Okay, now let's get into the unboxing, guys. So excited for this. Okay guys, so let me show you the goodies this box came with. So they provided some straps for a wig so we could tie in the wig with. We got another head wrap scarf that you use when you're laying your wigs. Okay, and finally they provided us with a wig cap. And now let's get into this wig, y'all. Guys, I'm so excited for this. So I'm gonna show you the packaging, how this wig came. So like, comes the typical, comes in this plastic bag. So you guys see, it's a highlight wig. Alright, so it comes in this kind of plastic first. So I'm gonna just take everything out and allow you guys to see this wig. Now let's inspect this wig, y'all. Y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys to see. So this is the color that we got here. As you can see, it's a highlight color. Got highlights in it, which I like, which we like, right? And how the wig came, they already came with the middle part. So let me allow you guys to see. So yeah, they already parted this wig for us, which is nice. And let me allow you guys to see the lace. Okay guys, so this is how the hairline looks. As you could see, the knots are visible, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bleach the knots of this wig. I don't think I will be plucking this hairline, but for this wig, all I think I'm gonna do is just bleach these knots, because like I showed you guys, the knots are visible. Okay guys, so I'm now noticing this wig got a lot of short hairs like the previous wig I got. So let me see if I could kind of show you guys. I don't know if it's like visible, but yeah, y'all seen this? It has a lot of short hairs. It's more visible in person, so that gonna already be a con. Okay, all right, let me allow you guys to see the construction of this wig. Okay, so inside, this is how the lace is. We get 2 combs at the side, and we also get 1 comb at the back with some lace at the back as well. Okay guys, so for the details of this wig is a 13x4 wig. It's 150% density. It's in the texture straight, and it is 24 inches in length. So with further ado, guys, let's get right into bleaching these knots. Okay, and before you go, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, I don't know, give me opinions. Like I'll read them. I'll respond to them. It'll be nice. I love y'all, you know. Okay guys, so today we're using some clear all for the bleaching powder and using a 20 volume developer. I'm gonna take 1 scoop. So this right here is too liquidy. You're supposed to make it into a kind of paste, but I find this is too liquidy, so I'm just gonna add some more powder. This is a good consistency. It's like a paste, so that's how you want to get it to put on the lace, so it's not too thin, liquidy, just so that it seeps through onto the lace. So I like to apply it with a spoon. Guys, I didn't realize that the knots were previously bleached, so if before the 5 minutes I find that the hair is turning like a lighter color, I will proceed to wash out this hair. And guys, I'm noticing the hair is bleaching pretty quickly. The knots are pretty bleached, so I am gonna go ahead and wash this off. So I'm just gonna wash it off. I'm gonna shampoo and condition this hair. So when I come back, I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna get some beach waves. Okay guys, so for the hairstyle, I want some kind of beach waves. So I'm gonna part the hair in 4 sections and braid them. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna leave this to dry overnight, and then I'll just see how this turns out in the next part of the video. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, complete look. Guys, I'm sorry, I realized that a lot of the footage with me installing and styling the hair was blurry. I'm sorry about that, but hopefully this is a lot clearer. This is me wearing the hair the second day, so from me installing the hair in the first clip, so you could see the hair held the waves pretty well, which I really like this looks bomb. Okay guys, so we're just gonna go straight into pros and cons of this wig. My first pro is the middle part this wig came with. Like, I didn't have to do no parting, like it just came parted. Like, this is me wearing the hair parted. I did not pluck anything whatsoever. This is just how the wig is. So I would say the middle part that it came with is a plus for me, so I'll put that under a pro. Another pro is that this wig is beginner friendly because the lace blended pretty well. I did not have to do no extra putting all kind of makeup on the lace to get it to blend. I just plopped it right on, and I might just pass a little foundation on it, but it blended pretty well. Like, obviously if y'all could see the lace in the camera, it's the lighting's fault, okay? Because I'm telling you guys, in person it's blended, okay? Blended. So I'm really happy about that. Okay, and the hair is really soft. I experienced minimal shedding, minimal tangling, so all of those are pros. Another pro is that this wig is big head friendly. The final pro that I have is that the shipping came pretty quickly, which is good. Now let's get into the cons of this wig. My one and only con, guys, is the short hairs this hair came with. I showed you guys when I unboxed the wig the short hairs, and I also showed you when I installed it the short hairs, like some of the short hairs I noticed. So that's the only con that I could find, but it wasn't so bad in the sense, like, I had to put mousse, I had to put stuff to get the get it to blend. Like, it blended seamless. So I mean, it's not that bad, but that was my only con. So overall, I would say this wig is the perfect buy, because if that was the only con and all these pros, like, overall guys, like, I'm so happy with this. The color, everything, it's bomb. I'm gonna allow you guys to see the length of this hair on me. Like I said, it is 24 inches, so I'm just gonna stand up so you guys could see. Okay, so I'm just gonna end this video by saying thank you, Julia Hair, for sending me this wig. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos, guys. Toodles. Okay, so I've already showed you guys the construction of this wig, so I'm just gonna talk about the details of this wig. This wig is a 13x4 wig. It is I think this is okay guys, so for the details of this wig is a 13x4 wig. It is 150% Sorry. How much came in this?